For luxurious travel in a well-thought-out diesel pusher, the Winnebago Forza comes loaded with amenities, all at an affordable price. Winnebago's heritage of producing quality motorhomes with thoughtful features is apparent in the Forza. Today, the Forza comes in 4 expansive floor plans, all including exquisite features like a residential 2-door refrigerator, Corian galley countertops, a walk-around queen bed, Primera upholstered Versa swivel cab seats, and an available studio loft bed. Forza promises a smooth and well-mannered ride, using the Freightliner's 340 horsepower XCS chassis while carrying up to 228 cubic feet of exterior storage space. In this video, we are featuring the 38F, which has 3 slide-outs. One slide-out for the galley, and another for the bed. And the opposite wall includes a full wall slide-out. Beauty is evident through the exterior premium high-gloss full-body paint, powered patio awnings with LED lighting, and an optional exterior entertainment center with HD TV, perfect for relaxing outdoors. When it's movie night, the 50-inch HD TV and home theater system will bring the whole family together. An optional electric fireplace adds a level of romantic ambiance and heat on a chilly winter night. Tinted dual-glassed frameless windows with blackout roller shades add both style to the coach and practicality in temperature and noise control. Dinner time in the galley is a breeze, having everything you need within reach. The 2-door residential refrigerator freezer with ice maker keeps food fresh and drinks cold. The 3-burner range top and microwave convection oven create a cooking combo for efficient meal preparation. Cleanup is a snap with a dual bowl sink, Corian countertops, and a decorative backsplash. In the master quarters, a walk-around queen bed with storage below, dual nightstands, and an abundance of storage for wardrobe and personal items create a homey environment. The HD TV is perfect for relaxing and cuddling up at night for your favorite movie or program. Incorporated is a washer-dryer combo for convenience. The Forza 38F plan has both a powder bath and full bath available with residential-style porcelain toilets. The full bath offers ample storage from shelves to drawers, plus a beautiful stand-up shower with glass doors. The cab is outfitted with powered Versa seats, adjustable armrest, fixed lumbar support, and multi-adjustable recline and swivel functions. On the dash is a fully integrated all-digital LCD instrument cluster, which puts you in full control. The radio rearview monitor system includes a 10.1-inch LCD color touchscreen. Power mirrors with defrost and a side view camera come standard. While available upgrades like the Plus Lounger passenger cab seat with footrest and flip-up workstation, Sirius XM, and a JBL premium sound system let you further tailor the Forza to your personal preferences. Winnebago has an enviable position in the diesel pusher business, and Forza cements that reputation with a well-thought-out coach at a very attractive price point. See the Winnebago Forza for yourself when you stop by at any La Mesa RV location, or check out our inventory at lamesarv.com and experience life.